At the end of this cleaning, generally we make a firm suggestion that yes, all the complexities and impurities are now removed, and that I feel not simpler and purer. Hello everyone. I'll walk you through this process of cleaning now. Just like meditation, we close our eyes very gently. Now the focus here is the back part, from top of the head till the tailbone, shoulder to shoulder, back part. We have to think that all the complexities and impurities are going away. This is a kind of sankalpa that this is happening. Complexities and impurities are going away. From where? From this back side. From top of the head till the tailbone. Imagine that and think that they are going from that back side. And how? Think that they are going in the form of smoke. So, let us rethink this process, what we are doing. We are simply making a sankalpa or a suggestion that all complexities and impurities are going away from my backside in the form of smoke. Continue with this process. If you are settled with this much, I would like you to do one more thing. Accelerate this process. Now gently add next element to this cleaning process. Imagine the light is descending from above. It is entering from the front side of your system and passing through the entire system, entire body, going out from the back side now, helping us remove these complexities and impurities. This light in turn is helping me fill up the vacuum left behind by the removal of complexities and impurities. At the end of this cleaning, generally we make a firm suggestion that yes, all the complexities and impurities are now removed, and that I feel not simpler and purer. Okay. So now you know how to do cleaning.